Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule your FedEx pickup with prepaid label. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So here you have to just go to Google and search for FedEx pickup and you will get this official link of FedEx. Click on it. Then you will get an option of schedule a pickup. If you want to know how to do it, you can just watch the video or you can also read from the website. Then you have to click on schedule a pickup. Click on it. It will ask you to log in. So you have to log in into your account, right? So to make your account, it's very easy thing. You have to just fill up all the information such as your email, phone number, your name, and your some personal details. Now here it will ask your enter account. So you have to enter your account number as well as your if you want to, this is optional. So if you don't want to add your nickname, that's fine. If you don't have an account, then just click on open a new account and they will help you to open a new account. Once you enter an account, then you have to just move to the next option, right? And after that, you will be able to book. But there are some of the other ways from where you can just schedule a pickup or, yeah. So here the first things call FedEx customer service at this number, right? 1-800-463-3339, right? Inform the representative that you have a prepaid label and need to schedule a pickup. Provide the customer service agent with the necessary details such as pickup address, package information, as well as the tracking number for your prepaid label. The agent will then schedule the pickup for you. FedEx will send a driver to your location and collect the package on the scheduled date and time. Alternatively, you can also schedule the pickup online through the FedEx website, which I have shown you. Right, log in, go to the schedule and manage pickup option, and provide the required details to book the pickup. Right, so there are two methods basically, the offline and the online method. You can just choose any one and you can just go any one of them. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.